Hello everyone. So we'll start soon. Okay, we'll start. I will share my screen. Okay, so it's audible and visible. Can you please confirm? Let me check. It's audible and visible. Is audible and visible? Okay, that's great. So till now we have been look like basic fundamentals of generative AI, then different types of the prompt engineering, then we look at the RAGs, how we can handle private data, okay, and create the particular application on the private data. Okay, so this is what that we built till now, but they are the few conditions. Okay, in that conditions you have to search for the particular query on the Google, and you need a particular function that will work basically and 100% for the mathematics. Okay, or you have a multiple queries. Okay, take an example like the first query is going for the rag, and the comma separated value of that the theme query is going for the mathematic some operation. Okay, and third query is for the Google search, and on the combination of all this we need a single result. So what and how that you are going to handle all these conditions. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is very important because nowadays multiple queries are coming, multiple and complex systems are coming in the market. So how do you handle in that condition? Okay, I will give you the this is first example. Okay, there is a second example. In that what you will do, so particular person is giving the requirements. Okay, okay, and you will analyzing the requirement, and on the basis of that you will schedule the call. Okay, you will schedule the call. Okay, and after that you will send the email to the user. So see how many different things that you are doing in that condition. So how handle this particular scenario. Okay, so where that the agents will be the come into the picture, how we can do the agents. So I will give you the uh, image. Okay, so see, so this is an image, this is a agent. Okay, so when you have the rack system, okay, so you will give the query, and query goes to your agent and you will give the answer. If answer is correct, then this is end, there is no other thing is going to be happen. But if answer is not correct or you need something else in this one, then what will happen? You have a bunch of tools. Okay, I will open this in the new tab. Okay, see, you have the bunch of tools, and with the help of the agent, agent is nothing the same system which have only the one superpower, which have the ability to connect with the external tools. That's it. There's no nothing like uh, difference is there. Okay, with the other tools, which is like external tools power: Google search, mathematics, Wikipedia, YouTube, okay, Facebook, LinkedIn, scheduling the call, whatever that you want to. Now on the basis of that they take the action, and then they will continue. This is all about the agent. So agent have the external power or the superpower, and with the help of that you will able to perform your own role. Got it? Got it? My laptop hang. One second. Okay, so agent have the superpower to access the external tools. That is all about the agents. So when you have the rack system, you will access your private data, and after accessing the private data, what else that you can do it? Nothing. Why? Because you are limited to the private data. But what's happening in the world? Take an example again of the weather. Okay, and you need to be access the latest data. How you will be able to access it? It's not going to be possible. What you will able to do, you have to integrate the external tools. Whenever you will access, whenever you are just giving the external tools to your system, then what will happen? It's become the agent. That's it. There's a nothing is more than this. So it is all about the fancy word that everyone is speaking in the market. So you don't have worry about it. Like this is something which we don't know, and this is something that is we are not able to understand. It's no, it is not a case. Okay, got it. So let's jump on the coding part. Okay, so I will share the screen. So this is the one cookbook that I download from the GitHub. Okay, so this is a few installations that I will do. Grok API that we will set up because we are using Llama 3 from the Grok. Okay, and after that we have the agent. So this is the one way that where what I'm doing, I'm creating the database. Okay, I'm creating the SQL database. Okay, so I create the SQL database and the data. Okay, let's do one thing. I will give you the much more easier way. I have that example as well. Yeah, this one. Simple. I will load the tools. So this is available in the LangChain. Okay. So I will show you. Okay, I will show you that as well. Let's share. Give me a bit. I will open the tab of that as well. LangChain agents. Okay. So this is agents. So I will refresh. Yeah, agents is there. Agent types. We'll go on the agent types. Okay, there's a lot of the agent types. Tool calling. Okay, see. So I will give you the options. Create agent, run agent, chat history, tools, chain, open AI tools. What is the tools option? I'm not able to get the tool option. 1 second. LangChain tools list or library. Yeah, agent tool. So this is the tools. Let's see. Toolkit. It's not available. Yeah. So yeah, here Wikipedia API wrapper. So that tools have the capability to search something or anything on the Wikipedia. Okay, now the tool that currently I am using, which is a math tool. So we'll search math tool LangChain. Okay, LLM math tool LangChain. See, here it is. Okay, so this is a math tool which is available, okay, currently, which is that we are using, that have the power to call the any mathematical expression which we can use it. Got it? Oh, sorry, I will share. So this is the LLM math tool. Now what is the value of the cosine and sine of the 45-degree? Now here is the, you will able to see the things will happen. Okay, why, okay, what is the value of unknown format for alarm? There's a translation. Okay, okay, this is the translation, so that will help much more better rather than this. So see, I need to calculate the cosine and sine of 45-degree. The answer is that I also need to calculate the sine of 45-degree. Okay, I now know the final answer, and this is a final answer. Now you will say here that this can be done by the LLM as well. Okay, but all the LLM models are available in the market are generalized. But for the specific use case, for the specific question, we need a specific tool that will sort our life, that will help properly to us to make sure that the things are working very well. Okay, this is one example. Now I have the another example, swerp apis. Okay, so I will give the swerp api. First of all, the what is the swerp api? Okay, so let's search for that. So this is the search api. Okay, enter. Yeah, it's very good. You will able to see. Okay, test search. So you will get the data whatever related the search query that you have been given into the search query inbox. Okay, so I will give the search query. It's processing. Let's wait. See, fine. Now what we will do, we will integrate that query and that API into our agent. Then what will happen, whenever you are looking some data which is, or whenever the user will search particular query and that query related information is not available in your data, then what will happen, that particular query go into your knowledge base and try to find out. If it is not available, then it will go to the search, Google search, okay, and collect the data from there. Okay, so this is how that you will able to make your system much more advanced. Okay, so that's the reason that nowadays agents are very much popular. Okay, so we'll test it out. Okay, so this is a API key. Okay, So you can go on the search API, and I give the tool name search. Okay, and description useful for when you need an answer about the current events. Okay, now I have the one more search tool which is a calculator, useful when you need an answer question about the mathematics, okay, or math. So I will configure this one. I configure the LLM already as a croc. Okay, then llama. Okay, then I will initialize the agent. I have the tools. This is the two tools I define. Then this is the LLM. Then I'm giving the agent type open AI functions that I'm going to use here. Okay, then I will run it. So my question is, who is the president of Nigeria? Instead of this, I will write the who is the president of United States, and what is the current age raised to the power of 2. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, so it's not worked. Why? Okay, let's try this one. Something maybe I didn't give. Okay, one second. Okay, so I will copy this one and I will paste it. See, I will run it. Okay, and this is the search. Okay, Nigeria president. After that, Wikipedia. After that, date of birth. Now I have to minus it automatically. Then answer is power of 2. Then I will do the power of 2. Okay, so that it's work. Getting my point? Now you have the power to access the external tools and give the a single query with the multiple options, and that will give you the much more access to the United States. Okay, so I will run that as well. So see about the current president of the United States, then calculate this. So oh, it's running. President Biden represent 26 years in this, and before becoming the this one and president. So I found, see, this is what that we are getting, but it's the data is not properly fetch. Okay, why? Because the president has been changed. Now the president is someone else, who? Donald Trump, but we are not getting the proper data. So who is the current president? We'll see who is the current president. So we'll, so again it's showing the Joe Biden. So final answer is coming Joe Biden. I will give the much more proper way. Current president in 2024. Okay, let's see now. See, now it's giving the proper Donald Trump. Getting my point? So now this information is not available in your document, but with the power of the tools. Okay, with the power of the tools, you will able to get the proper answer with the latest trends, and that will help you. Okay, that will help you to give the more power to your system. Okay, and more dynamicity. That's it. There is a nothing new and the complex system which that we can say that agent can do this and that. No, there's a proper tools are available. Agents have the power to access the tools and able to give the more to more latest events, so that will help your life and make your the system that you are building much more better way. Okay, now we'll see the fine tuning. So I have a proper fine tuning library which I love a lot. Okay, so you have to go on the Google and search simple. Okay, not Colab notebook, sorry. So fine tuning LLM model GitHub. Okay, so this is one person who is name is 𝗪𝗓𝗵𝗀. Okay, which has been done a lot of the fine tuning LLM on the different see methods. So you have to choose anyone and you can just build that particular fine tune model. Okay, but currently the companies are not doing so much on the fine tuning. They are doing more on the agents and the rag. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to be work on it. You have to work on it, you have to understand about it, and then only that give you the good sense about the fine tuning. You should know about the fine tuning, you should know about all the things related to the fine tuning. And this is the one like repository that I will refer, that you all have to be consider it. Okay, so this is all about for today. Okay, and we'll connect again in the next session. It is short because most of the things you already know, so that's why it's not take much more time. Okay, in next session we will discuss about the project. And if the people are not submitted the week 4 project, please submit the week 4 project, and that will help you. Okay, and I will give you a demo of our platform, which is you can access from the app.hidef.xyz. Okay, so that again, this give you the, you have to be log in with the Google, and after that there's a lot of features are coming. Currently two features are open. You can access the 𝗪𝗵𝗀𝗀, which is a clone of myself, and you can talk whatever that you want the help. Okay, so who is this? I am Narendra. How you can help? Okay, so you can ask whatever the queries that you have, resume building, whatever that the things that you need, so that will help you. Okay, so I need help in my resume building. I am not getting good interviews. How I can improve my resume? So it's taking so much time, I think. Yeah, so this is the way that you can take the privilege of the 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀. Okay, okay, I hope you enjoy the session. Okay, do check it out, our platform, so that will help you, and don't forget to submit your week 4 assignment. Okay then, bye, take care.